Now go.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh, boy! Jesus, this class. So what are we doing? We're doing the sign test and non-parametric statistics. Okay, so we got this baby here, see? A study addresses the issue whether women have the ability to predict the sex of their babies. Amongst 104 recruited subjects, 55% correctly guessed the sex of their baby. That's based on that book. What do they want? Use a 5% significance level to test the claim that women do not have the ability to predict the sex of their babies. Okay, so what? Our n is 104, and we have the percentage correct. The number correct is 57, because when you take 104 times 0.55, you get 57 and change, but it rounds. And then the number of women that guess the births of their babies, the sex of their babies, wrong is 47%. Okay, so we're looking at the sign test. All right, that says we're going to say plus is correct, wrong is minus, and then our x is 47 because we take the smaller of 57 and 47. When we take the smaller of 57 and 47, we're testing whether or not the proportion is, we could have turned this into a two-tailed test because the proportion could be high or the proportion could be low. Oh no, it is left tail. Why? Because we're testing the claim that women do not have the ability. So if it was greater than 0.5, they would have the ability. Okay, so one-tailed test, and it's a z-test. Why? Because our n is bigger than 25. Okay, so then our critical value from our z-table is that guy. All right, fine. What's our test statistic? There it is. That's from our book, and it really is a z-score. That's x minus mu over the standard deviation when we assume that our p and our q are 0.5. It all just works out like that. Let me get some room. I'm rewriting everything, and I'm just going to write real fast. Slow that down. Okay, so let's throw our stuff in there. We have our x, we have our n. Then I put those where they goes, and Sasha got minus 0.888, and Christina checked her. So where does that fall? In the fail to reject. There is insufficient, if that's even spelled right, evidence to reject the claim that they don't know anything. Bad.